All right, guys, we're gonna show you how to Raptor line your truck bed in 4 simple steps. Let's go! Step 1, prep it. Yeah, so we found out from a friend of ours that this is one of the best tools to use to prepping a surface before you Raptor line it.
What's it called?
It's a 6-inch wheel of happiness.
Giant Makita grinder.
Yes.
That
now they sell them in 6-inch or 4.5. Probably should get a 4.5 unless you really want to get after it. So she gets after it. She's a mean machine. The general idea is just to scuff the paint. You're not really removing paint. You're just scuffing it, giving the new paint a place to adhere to. And that's all.
All right.
Give me my shoes. It's hot.
Oh, your shoes. You mean these? You mean these flip-flops?
Always, guys, remember whenever you're doing any of this stuff, always wear safety shoes. You want to make sure your toes are protected.
Some of you are going to be tempted to leave this video after seeing that. But I just want you to know, it's just Ryan. So we can let Ryan be Ryan, and it'll be okay, everybody.
All these safety people out there wondering where all those rules and OSHA violations come from, you're welcome. All right, now we're on to clean it. We're gonna use these mineral spirits. We're gonna wipe all the surfaces down and get it ready for tape.
So Ryan, is there any other options for cleaning besides mineral spirits?
There is a plethora of options out there for you guys. However, if your wife is part of some multi-level marketing scheme like Avon, essential oils, or Norwex, whatever your wife has in her house for cleaning, just use that. That way she buys more, she gets more happy, she goes and has parties at your house, and everyone comes over and
she gets those bonus gifts.
Yeah, and it's wonderful. Yeah, it's just and Norwex. It's totally good for the environment.
It is. It is. A little lavender behind your ear.
Put it right, little dabs right here. Soothing.
All right, let's go. It's time for
step number 3, tape. Now that prep it, clean it, tape it is done, we're on to spray it. And that doesn't mean the Raptor liner yet. First, you have to hit all your bare metal spots with self-etching primer. Then hit all your hard to reach spots with adhesion promoter. Then you spray with Raptor. Let's go.
So you can see right here, got all of our etching primer done, got all of our bare spots covered. That'll keep rust from coming in up underneath the bed liner, so that should give us a lasting liner. I don't know if you can tell by my face and Ryan's face, but
we're ready.
We're ready to be done.
All right, so this is the final part to spray it. And now we're gonna mix the hardener with the Raptor liner, and then we're gonna get it laid down. There you go.
Can you hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this guy.
All right, so this is the hardener.
And you pour them in this guy. You want to make sure you spill as much of it as you can.
Okay, good job.
Be careful with it.
Uh-huh.
And you shake it up. I think they say, what, like a couple minutes?
I don't know, it probably says it on the box. So we've had some comments in the past about our Raptor lining, Ryan, with streaking. Not that kind.
Oh, sorry, I got carried away.
Because people will see this and they'll be like, well, what's with all the streaking and stuff? What do you think about that?
Well, so one of the things to fix that is to get a different nozzle and then get a fifth bucket. And then the very nozzle has the ability to adjust the pattern so you can mist over top of it and totally remove it.
Yeah.
The other thing is as it dries, you're not going to notice it nearly as much.
Yeah, I think the very first Raptor liner that we did, we noticed those streaks, but then after like a half an hour, they were all gone.
I think it's like three years now since that, and it still looks amazing.
They did look really nice.
Guys, for the buck, I think we bought a 4-kit quart for $190. All the tape and everything.
Comes with a gun.
I think we're in on it maybe $350 total.
Yeah. Well, and this is a short bed, so obviously you start doing a long bed, you're gonna need some more material for sure.
Yes.
All said and done, this looks really great so far.
All right, guys, and that's how you Raptor line your truck in 4 easy steps. If you want to watch our other Raptor liner videos, click up here, click down here, click down there, right there, right there, right there, right there. And we'll see you next time. Generation!